Here in the fourth quarter, as we come to the end of 2012, this is our 5th annual campaign called It's Not Your Birthday. We get ready to celebrate Jesus' birthday, and yet we behave as if it's our birthday. Every household spending $1,000 or more in America on pretty much gifts for ourselves. Chemin La Vie Mio offers the possibility of somebody taking what you would normally spend for Christmas on things that are here today, gone tomorrow, and invest in changing the lives of a family in Haiti forever. Chemin La Vie Mio is Haitian Creole. It means path to a better life. It describes an initiative that we are funding with Fonkoze, the Bank of the Poor in Haiti, to take people who would be categorized as the world's ultra poor, lifting them up out of their ultra poverty and putting them on a path towards a better life. For those of us who've been involved with this since its inception in Haiti, the transformation that happens to the women, the mothers, is jaw-dropping. When we first visit the mother, she is so hopeless, so beaten down, so ashamed of her poverty, so ashamed of that she can't care for her children, ashamed of what she has to do to earn some money for food, sometimes having to sell her body in the area. And after she's in the program for several months, you go visit her and she's standing up tall and she looks you in the eye and she's got her dignity back. Chemin La Vie Mio is a perfect example of HTF's mission to bring hope, sustainability, and dignity to Haiti. Our graduation rate with these families is astonishing. We're operating at about 98%. That means out of a pool of 100 families that enter into the program, when we do a selection and deploy 100 families, at the end of the 18-month period, 98 of them have met the criteria to be on the path to the better life. It doesn't mean that the two that didn't, that we forget about them. They just have more time to do what the other 98 were able to do. So many people make the choice of what they're going to do for Christmas and are deliberate about it. They get their relatives, they get their other people in their families to chip in. They say, we'll sponsor 3 families. We'll collectively sponsor 4 families. Others say, no, we're going to continue to celebrate Christmas as we always have, but we're going to do more and do our Christmas and sponsor a family. But the more that people get caught up in this, the more life-changing it is for the giver. And what's unique about Chemin La Vie Mio is that at any time, we can take you to Haiti and introduce you to the people whose lives you've changed. What value can you put on bringing a family out of absolute hopelessness and putting them onto the path of a better life?